Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying backups and the recently deleted album. Open Photos and look in Recently Deleted first. Deleted items remain up to 30 days. Next, check Settings, right arrow your Apple ID, right arrow iCloud backup, and note the last backup timestamp so you know which photos could return. If you prefer restoring from computer, connect to your Mac or PC and open Finder or iTunes. Once done, pause automatic syncing to avoid overwriting before restoration. Now restore the chosen backup. On the iPhone, go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Transfer, or Reset, right arrow Erase all content and settings, then select Restore from iCloud backup during setup. On Mac/PC, use Finder or iTunes and choose Restore Backup. This replaces current data with the backup snapshot. That's why you must pick a backup that predates deletion. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and the phone stays charged. Otherwise, the restore may fail or stall halfway through. Let it finish fully before checking photos. Once the restore completes, sign back into Apple ID and open Photos. Check Recents, Albums, and use Search by date or location to find recovered images. If nothing appears, consider trusted third-party recovery tools on your computer that can scan the device or backups. Verify reviews and permissions first. If a restore errors, try again after rebooting both device and computer, or select a different backup snapshot. Make sure you have stable power and network. That often resolves incomplete restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.